welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for tuning in to VoyageFlower. If you're new, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button so you can get this Burundian girl on a map, you know, make it on YouTube. Anyways, on this channel I make handmade soaps for the skin, all natural, cater to sensitive skins. So if your skin get irritated from like harsh chemicals and all that stuff, make sure you try out our natural soaps. We have all different types of soaps. Make sure you check it out on my Etsy shop. I will link the shop in the description box, so make sure you check out the description box for all the information you need regarding my soaps and other things. But today we're gonna do a pH testing for our handmade natural soaps. This is a highly requested video by testing our soaps pH level. So pH stands for potential hydrogen. It's not in a periodic table or anything. It's just like a unit measurement for how much hydrogen is in a liquid or whatever substance you're testing. Earlier on my live, I did a pH test for my body. So if you want to know how to test your pH level for your body, go ahead and watch that video. I tested my pH for my body and it was like a 7.5 or like, yeah, it was like a 7.5, 7.2, which is good. So make sure you check out how to test your body pH level. It's very important to know for your health and for your skin. I already did some soaps on my live, but we'll go ahead and do the other ones, test out the pH level and see how safe it is to use on your skin. Okay, so we got our soaps here. We got 5 different soaps today. I'm currently restocking on some of my other soaps, so as soon as I restock on them, I'll also do the rest of the other soaps. But for now, we're doing 5 soaps. I also didn't want it to be a long video, so I didn't wait until I got the other soaps. We'll do these for now, and then later on we'll do the other ones. We have our massage bar aloe vera soap with lavender essential oil. Same thing, but in a regular bar, lavender and aloe vera. We got a pink desert soap, which is French pink clay and lemon zest with lemon essential oil. Everything is all natural. We use essential oil to scent our soap and also for you to get the benefits of the plants that we're using for the essential oil. Like the lemon, you get all the benefits of lemon. And this one is a lemongrass soap with French green clay. And all our soaps uses shea butter, coconut oil, and olive oil as the base. We have our full turmeric bar. This is a highly bought soap. This is good for acne, evening out skin tone, blemishes, like evening out the dark spots in your armpit or anywhere. This is a really good soap. It's my popular, most bought soap. This is our half and half turmeric soap. It also has the same benefit, but it's a little bit, I don't know, you know, this is a half and half, so it's not as effective as the full bar. So this is like all the way on 100%. This is like 50%. You know what I mean? Like if you have a small issue where it's like a small little dark area and, you know, small little acne on your face, then you should go with half and half. But if you have like full-blown acne and dark spots, then you go with the full turmeric and tea tree soap. And we have our distilled water. I'm also gonna test this distilled water, which is the same one I'm gonna use to test out the other soaps. And this is the water we use to make the soap, so you'll also get to see the pH level of the water as well. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so There we go. We got a little bit of light here. All right, so we got our pH strips right here. I got this like 3 in a pack. You can get these from Amazon for like $5, and they bring you like 3 of these. So they're very inexpensive. You know, you can also cut the strips in half if you don't want to use the whole thing. Yeah, so go ahead and get it. It's good for like your household. If you want to test the tap water, the purified water, you know, any of that stuff, go ahead and get you one of these. This is not the same one you use for your body pH. There's a different one that you use for your body pH. If you use this one, it's just gonna get wet. It's not really gonna show anything. Let me show you. This is the one that you use for your body pH. You use it for saliva or urine. So yeah, there's 2 different types. Let me show you how this one looks like. So this one, they bring it 2 strips, but you look at the second one, not the first one, after you test your pH. But yeah, let's go ahead and use these pH strips for like liquids and other stuff. And these are the numbers. So if it's in the reds, like from 1 through 6, it's very acidic. From 1 through 6, it's very acidic. And from 11 through 14, it's very alkaline. So you want to be in between, from like 6.5 to 10. That's where you want to be at. You don't want to be anywhere near 11, 12, 13, 14, or anywhere near 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because, you know, I tested the orange juice earlier and it was very acidic. It was literally on 3. So not sure if I'll be drinking that again, but yeah, we want to be anywhere from like 7 to 10 in the greens. That's where the neutral level, like the neutral balanced level is, and that's where we want to be at. It means it's healthy, good, non-toxic, and overall just it's gonna do well with your body. It's not gonna affect it harshly. So yeah, let's go ahead and test the massage bar first. We're gonna do the side because I already used this part to test it earlier. So we're gonna use the side of it. So all you do is just dab. Let's see, you dab a little water, put it on the side. Ooh, I should have gotten the strip before doing that. And then you put the testing strip on there. Hold on, let me make sure you guys can see. And you turn it to the other side if it doesn't get enough juice or whatever. And there you have it. That's the color that it came out to. Let's see on the measurement where we're at. And it's like between 8 and 9. So it's like hold on. Yeah, it's like between 9. Actually, it's like between 9 and 10. So it's like a 9.5. It's definitely not on a 10 because the 10 is darker. So it's like 8.5. Yeah, 9 or 8.5 for sure. Which is good. That means it's good. That means it's neutral. That's where we want to be. So let's go ahead and do leave this one for that. Let's go ahead and test the full turmeric first. Let's do the full turmeric. There we go, we got more space. Which side did I do earlier? I did, okay, let's do this side again. Oh, let me get a strip first. Get a little bit of water, rub it on the soap, put the test strip, and there you have it. Ta-da! So this is the same green. They're all gonna have, I use the same, almost the same ingredients, except for the raw ingredients. So they're all gonna have roughly around the same color. So this is the color, the green that it came out with. It came off. And this is the same thing again, like a 9.5. It's between 9 and 10, so it's a 9.5. Okay, so that's that. So you don't want to be anywhere, again, you don't want to be anywhere in the reds or the orange or the yellows, like 1 through 5.5, because a 6 is okay. So if it's like a 6.5, it's okay, but you definitely don't want to be from like 1 through 5. All those colors are very acidic, and you don't want to be from like 11 through 14. All those other colors are very alkaline as well. So let's do the half turmeric. I'm gonna do half of the strips because I kind of don't want to waste them. So I'm only using half of it anyway. So I'm gonna cut this in half. Like I just cut it in half. So I got 4 of them instead of 2. We're gonna do the turmeric. Again, we're rubbing it. We're gonna get a little bit more water. You don't want it to be too wet because it might not work if it's too wet. But that's the color for the turmeric. They're all gonna be around the same color because I use the same base, like shea butter, coconut oil, and olive oil. They're all gonna be the same color. I'm just doing that. I'm just testing all of them for the sake of you guys, so you guys can see them. But this is a 9.5 again. It's green, which is good. So that's that. Let me take this color off because I'm still gonna use these soaps for my personal use. I'm also testing them for customers if they're interested in knowing the pH level of the soap that they're using, so they know they're not using any harsh chemicals. I'm gonna do another video where I test natural soap versus store-bought soap pH level, so stay tuned for that one. This is literally the same ingredients as this one, so as this one, so I'm not gonna test this. I don't want to waste your time and waste my time as well, so we're gonna do the pink desert. The pink desert soap will be changed into something else. Oh, I need more, I need more, I need more, I need more. I'll just rub it. Yeah, it's a green. They're all a green color. And again, green, this is like between a 9.5. It's a 9.5 on a scale thing. I'll just put them all together so y'all can see like the green consistency in the soaps. They're all green, green, green. So that's that. Let me wipe it down, put it back. We're gonna do this one. This is our green pasture soap. Let's test it. And it's another green. It's 9.5. There it is. And we're done. So let me show you guys. Okay, so that's the green color we got for all of them. and that's the testing strip. So it's like a 9.5. You know, you can test literally anything in your household, like the soaps that you're using. What else? Yeah, that's it. The water that you're drinking. That's it, guys. All right, so that was all for our soap testing the pH level of our soaps. So now you guys can see how safe and neutral it is to your skin. It's very safe and no harsh chemicals, none of that. So make sure you try a natural soap bar. I'll leave the link to my Etsy shop right below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're new, welcome to my channel. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you subscribe to support my channel so I can bring more content like this, soap making, business related, and all that. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back and watching my video. I appreciate you so much. I hope you like it, and I'll see you again in my next one. Amahoro.